Hi friends, I am Anita Mohorkar from CADDCENTRE AMBARNATH. I teach different softwares like AutoCAD, AutoCAD Electrical, OrCAD, MATLAB, and also industrial automation related softwares for PLC and SCADA. I handle different bands like Siemens, Omron, Delta. My students insisted me to make video on AutoCAD software. So in this video I am going to tell you how to make use of coordinate system in drawing objects in AutoCAD software. There are mainly two types of coordinate system used in AutoCAD: absolute coordinate system and relative coordinate system. So there are again two kinds of relative coordinate system: relative rectangular coordinate system and relative polar coordinate system. So I am going to draw this object using all the three types: the absolute coordinate system, relative rectangular coordinate system and relative polar coordinate system. So let's start. So this is the drawing area where we are going to draw the object. So this drawing area is infinite. This icon represents user's coordinate system icon. This axis represents x-axis and this axis represents y-axis, and this is the center of this drawing area, which is origin, where x and y coordinates are 0, 0. If it is three-dimensional, x, y, z will come into picture. Okay, let us draw the object using absolute coordinate system. By default, the coordinate system used in this software is absolute coordinate system. So in relative coordinate system, the format for drawing used is x, y. Okay, you have to give the location, x and y location, for drawing the object. Okay, so I am going to draw this object in this direction. Okay, so let's start with that one. I will use the line command. You can click here or else type L and hit enter. Then it will ask for the first point. So I feel convenient to start from origin. So I am giving coordinates 0, 0. Okay. Now I need to draw the line of length 8 in x direction. Right? So I will give the coordinates 8, 0. X value is 8 and y value will be 0, because on this axis y coordinate will be 0 and on this y axis the x coordinate will be 0 if the point is lying on that one. Okay, so this way, by giving 8, 0, the line is drawn in x direction. Now from this location only I need to draw the line of length. How much is that? 3. Okay, so what I'll give, we know that at this location x value is 8, x coordinate value is 8. Now from this location only we are going to the line, we are going to draw the line in y direction of length. How much? It is 3. So I will give 3 here and hit enter. Okay, so this way the line has drawn. Now we need to draw the line in this direction, in backward direction. So for drawing the object in backward direction, how we are going to calculate the value of x and y is, for x, see, it will be calculated as previous location of x minus new length of the line in x direction will give you new location of x. Now previous value of x is 8, okay, and new line length is 4. So 8 minus 4 will give you 4. So the new location of x is at 4 now. So 4, and what about y? It is 3 only. So I am going to give 4, 3. Okay. So this way the line is drawn in backward direction. Now I need to draw the line in y direction from the location of x at 4. So what I will write 4 here. Okay. Now I have to give y value. So how much is the length of y here? 3. So again I will give how much? If I am using absolute coordinate system, then I need to consider the value of y of previous value of y. Okay, so here for upward direction the value will be calculated as previous location of y plus new line length in y direction will give you new location of y. So previous value of y is 3 and new value is 3, so that is why you are getting 6 here. So I am entering 6 here. Okay. Now next I need to draw the line in backward x direction. So how much is the length? 4. So here previous value at this point, the previous value of 4, value of x is 4 minus the new value is 4. So I am getting 0 here. So to get this point, the coordinate for this point, I have to subtract the previous value of x minus the new value of x direction value, length of the line. So I am giving here x value 0, and what about y? It is same 6, right? So this way I have drawn the line in backward x direction. Now I need to draw the line up to this point. If you use close option, then also it will get drawn here up to this point. But if you want to give the coordinates, how you are going to calculate? You know that at this point x value is 0, right? So 0 comma, what about y value? Now you know that the previous value of y value, previous value is 6 here and new value is 6 only. So you are going in downward direction. So previous location of y minus new line length in y direction will give you the value new location of y. So 6 minus 6 will give you 0. So I am going to enter 0 for y and once again hit enter. So this way we have drawn this object. Okay. Now if you want to draw the same object somewhere here and you don't know the location, that means you don't know the coordinates of this location, and you want to draw the same object, then you can make use of the second type, that is relative rectangular coordinate system. Okay. So format for drawing that is @x, y. Okay. So let us start drawing that one. I am going to click over here. Now I need to draw this line, right, of length 8 in x direction. but here I need to use @ sign. The meaning of @ sign is that for the next point, the previous point is considered as origin. That means this point is considered as origin where x and y coordinates become 0. Okay, so I am giving the length 8 because we are going to draw the line of length 8 in x direction. Okay, so that is why I am giving 8 here. Now what about y? Y is 0 because you are not drawing the line in inclined way. That is, it is not going in upward direction or downward direction. It is going straight in x direction. So I need to give y value 0 here. Okay. Now I need to draw the line of length 3 in y direction, and I am using the relative rectangular coordinate system. So once again I need to use @ sign. Okay, if I don't use @ sign and directly give 0, 3, then what will happen? It will go to this location somewhere here, actual location. That means it will follow the absolute coordinate system. So I need to give @ sign here, meaning that for the next point, the previous point is considered as origin. So here x will become 0 and y value will be 3, as we are going to draw the line of length 3 in y direction. Okay, now I am going to draw the line in x direction backward, in backward. Okay, so here also I need to use @ sign. So that means at this point x and y coordinates are 0. Okay, and the line is going in x direction in backward direction. So the previous value is 0 and the new value is 4. So 0 minus 4 will give you -4. Okay, for x it is -4 and for y it is 0. Okay, next I need to draw the line of length 3 in y direction. Again I am using @ sign here. X value will become 0 and y value will be 3, as you are going to draw the line in upward direction, so it will get positive value. Okay, now again I am using @ sign. We are going in backward direction. We are saying that this point is origin because we have used @ sign. So that means this x and y are 0 here, and the line is going to be drawn in x direction in backward direction. So previous value is 0, new value is 4, right? So I will give -4. Okay, because 0 minus 4 is -4, comma y value will be 0, right? Okay, now I am going to draw the line in downward direction. That means y direction, but it is in downward direction. So previous value of y will be 0 if you give @ sign, and new value will be 6. So 0 minus 6. So for x value it is 0 only, and for y it is -6. So this way we can draw the objects in relative rectangular coordinate system. Okay, I am using the same example so that we can find the difference between the three types easily. Okay, now the third type is relative polar coordinate system. Okay, in relative polar coordinate system, the format used is @ distance angle. Okay, this symbol is used for angle, and next the value will come, angle value will come. Okay, by default in AutoCAD it is the angular system followed is in anti-clockwise direction. That means 0 will come here, then 90 here, 180, 270, like that it will go in anti-clockwise direction. Okay, so using this angular system we are going to draw this object. Okay, @ sign will come, that means for every next point the previous point will be considered as origin. So every time whatever length we are giving, that will be the new length only. Okay, so let us draw again the same object using relative polar coordinate system. So I am clicking here and I am going to draw the line in x direction in the angle 0. So that is why I am going to give @ distance is 8 and less than symbol I am using for angle, and I am giving the value 0 here. Okay, because we are drawing the line in this direction, so this is pointing towards 0 angle. So that is why I gave @ 8 angle 0. Okay, now this line is going in upward direction, that means it is going in 90 direction. Okay, that means the angle between these will be 90. Okay, so I will give @ sign, length is 3 and angle is 90. Okay, now I am going to draw this line in this direction, and the angle pointing in this direction is 180 and length is 4. So I will give @ 4, angle is 180. Okay, now next we need to draw the line in upward direction, that is it is pointing towards the angle 90 and length is 3. So @ 3, angle is 90. Okay, again @ distance is so here we are going to draw the line in backward x direction, length is 4 and backward x direction will be pointing towards the angle 180. So I am giving 180 here. Okay, next I am going to draw the line in downward direction, and that is pointing toward the angle 270 and length is 6. So I will give @ 6, angle is 270. So this way the same object can be drawn in 3 different methods, the 3 different ways of coordinate system. So this way we can give the coordinates for the 3 different systems. Okay, so I hope you have understood the concept of coordinate system used in AutoCAD. Friends, if you like this video, do click on the like button and share it to your friends. If you like this video, I am going to make more videos on this software. Thank you.